The vehicle stability control warning light is one of the most important dashboard indicators for your vehicle's safety systems. Understanding what it means and how to diagnose it can prevent dangerous driving situations. Here we can see the VSC warning light on a typical dashboard. The light shows a car with squiggly lines underneath, indicating the stability control system. This system prevents your vehicle from skidding and helps maintain control during emergency maneuvers. The VSC system relies on multiple sensors throughout your vehicle. Wheel speed sensors monitor each tire's rotation, the steering angle sensor tracks steering input, the yaw rate sensor detects vehicle rotation, and brake pressure sensors monitor braking force. The VSC warning light behaves differently depending on the situation. A solid red light means the system is completely disabled, usually due to a sensor failure or module malfunction. You can still drive, but without stability assistance. A flashing orange light indicates the system is actively working to correct vehicle instability. This is normal behavior during slippery conditions when the system detects loss of traction and intervenes to maintain control. Based on recent service data, wheel speed sensor failures account for 35% of VSC warning light cases. Steering angle sensor malfunctions represent 25%, while yaw rate sensor issues cause 20% of problems. Low battery voltage and wiring connection problems each account for 10% of VSC issues. Understanding these statistics helps prioritize diagnostic steps and identify the most likely causes. When diagnosing VSC issues, start with these essential steps. First, check for additional warning lights like ABS or check engine lights, as they often indicate related problems. Note exactly when the VSC light appears, whether at startup, while driving, or during turns. Always verify that tire pressures match manufacturer specifications and ensure all tires are the same size and type. Mismatched tires or incorrect pressures can trigger false VSC warnings and affect system performance. Remember, never ignore VSC warning lights. They indicate critical safety system issues that require immediate attention. Proper diagnosis following these steps will help identify the root cause and ensure your vehicle's stability system functions correctly. The first step in resolving a VSC warning light is attempting a basic reset procedure. This simple sequence can often restore normal system operation without requiring professional diagnosis. Step 1. Turn your ignition to the on position without starting the engine. This powers up the vehicle's electronic systems while keeping the engine off. Step 2. Fully depress the brake pedal and then release it completely. This action helps reset the brake pressure sensors that are integrated with the VSC system. Step 3. Turn the steering wheel fully to the left, then fully to the right. This calibrates the steering angle sensor, which is crucial for VSC operation. Finally, turn the ignition off, wait 30 seconds, then restart the engine. This completes the basic reset sequence and allows the VSC system to reinitialize. For vehicles manufactured in 2024 and later, a more complex reset sequence may be required. These newer systems have enhanced security protocols and require additional steps. These advanced procedures often involve precise timing and may require the vehicle to be driven at specific speeds during the reset process. Always consult your vehicle's service manual for the exact sequence. If the basic reset procedure doesn't resolve the VSC warning light, the next step is using an OBD2 scanner to retrieve specific fault codes for advanced diagnostics. The scanner will display diagnostic trouble codes that pinpoint the specific component or sensor causing the VSC malfunction. These codes provide valuable information for targeted repairs. Some 2024 and newer models require dealer-level diagnostic equipment for complete VSC system resets after certain repairs. This specialized equipment can perform advanced calibrations that standard scanners cannot. After completing VSC repairs, it's crucial to perform additional procedures to ensure proper system operation. This includes wheel alignment checks and steering angle sensor calibration. These calibration procedures are especially important after any suspension work, as they ensure the VSC system receives accurate data from all sensors for optimal stability control performance.